Hello again from Bangalore. It's a beautiful day today, a Saturday, another weekend, another food vlog. So we're going to continue with the Tibetan food eating spree that we've started last week. And the place that we're going to today is called Tenzin Kitchen. It's a restaurant in the same neighborhood as the last restaurant that we visited, which was called Tibetan Mother's Kitchen. We had 2 new Tibetan dishes last week, Tentuk and Laughing finally. So if you've not watched that vlog, it's right here, and also in the description you can watch that one after this one. So today we're going to eat something new again. What we're going to eat, I don't know yet, but we'll find out after we reach Tenzin Kitchen. So join me. This restaurant is right there on the first floor. So let's go, but where is the entrance? वो रेस्टोरेंट कहाँ से जाने का है? वो रेस्टोरेंट में कहाँ से जाने का है? रेस्टोरेंट ऊपर रेस्टोरेंट है ना, टेंजिन किचन यहाँ से? अच्छा ठीक है. The entrance to the restaurant is from here, and again that is the restaurant. So look at this. This is the restaurant, Tenzin Kitchen. And here we are. I'm here to have some Tibetan food and record myself. Is that okay? Okay, fantastic. Look at this restaurant, unmistakably Tibetan. Right off the bat you can tell that this is a Tibetan establishment. It looks a little higher class than the other restaurant that we went to last week. Let's keep our stuff here and let's take another look. These are Tibetan colors, prayer flags. What's your name, brother? Ayush. Are you Tibetan?
No,
Where are you from?
I'm from Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. And are you a Tibetan? No? Then who is Tibetan? You are, right? Oh, you don't want to be on camera. Okay. All right. She must be Tenzin, because the restaurant is called Tenzin Kitchen. Now, it's a very common name in Tibet. So, I jokingly say that if you call a random Tibetan Tenzin, then there's about 50% chance that you will be right. Brother, can you give me the menu?
You want that?
No, it's okay. Can I wash my hands somewhere? Yeah, let's wash our hands because it's a little sweaty. Sanitizer we're not too crazy about, so we don't need that. I'm going to wipe my face with this one. Okay, now hopefully I look not toasted. Let's keep it here. Okay, and now we're going to take a look at the menu. So let me show you the menu. This is Tenzin Kitchen menu. Let's look at the prices and the menu itself. Appetizer. The prices are quite reasonable, not too high, I would say, for this kind of a restaurant. This ambience, so we do have pork here. The momos, this is rice, noodles, main course. Okay, they have beef also. That's interesting. Let's call the guy and just ask him. So far we've had momos, we've had thukpa, we've had tentuk. What's your best selling dish?
What do you want? Your dish.
No, what is the best selling dish? What would you recommend?
Mama is there.
Momo. Okay. Do you have steamed bread? Tibetan steamed bread?
Tibetan is in this one.
Forget the menu. Do you have that item?
No.
No. Do you have pork momos?
Yes,
Pork momos. Okay. So give me a
beef, chicken, all is there.
beef is also there.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me pork momos.
Steam, right? Steam.
Steam. And do you have butter tea?
Butter tea. No. There is lemon tea.
No, Tibetan butter tea.
No.
You don't keep it? Okay, so pork momo and see, I've had thukpa so far. I've had tentuk. So give me some new dish,
New dish. It's not there.
which is good for lunch.
Lunch for. No.
You don't know? Will she know?
It's also no.
Huh? What?
It's also new.
She's also new. Okay. Okay, bring momos and then we'll see.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Do you want the cold drinks?
No,
No. You want?
I'm only here for Tibetan food.
Okay. Can I take?
Yeah, you can take the menu. If you keep the menu, I will look through it
Okay, sir.
while I eat momos. Okay. Alright, so this guy is not from Tibet and doesn't seem to know a lot of Tibetan dishes, it seems. So he can't recommend. So we're going to have pork momos, which is something we've not had. I've had momos before, but not with pork. So we're going to have pork momos. It's kind of a new dish for me because of pork. But let's see what else we can have. It seems like we will have to find the food for ourselves because the staff is not going to help us. This Tibetan girl at the counter is shy about the camera. Okay, so we do have tentuk here, but we had tentuk last week. Now they have thukpa with beef. That's something we can try. Tentuk, okay, we can have tentuk fry. Yeah, because on the last vlog somebody commented and told me to have tentuk, fried tentuk without the gravy. So I think that's also something that we can try. And while we're at it, because we've already had chicken and pork, let's try tentuk fry with beef. Brother, come here. This one, tentuk fry, it's without gravy, right?
It's come. What is there? Soup and fry.
It'll have gravy in it.
Not gravy. Soup.
Soup it will have. Okay. So, is there something called fried tentuk,
Yes, fry is there.
but something that's without gravy, without soup or without gravy?
Yeah, this comes dry.
Okay. Give me this one also with beef. So, one pork momo and one of this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Done.
That's all.
That's it.
Okay, can I take a menu?
Yeah. You have only one menu?
No. There.
Yeah, you can take it. But if you want, you can take it.
No.
So we are having pork momos and tentuk fry. I think it's going to be with gravy because he said it will have soup also. So I'm not sure if it's going to be the same dish that somebody recommended in the comments, because from that comment I thought that it's going to be dry fried tentuk, fried noodles. But let's see what it is. Anyways, in any case, it's a new Tibetan dish for me because it's with beef. Okay, now we're going to wait for the food to come and I'll see you then. Alright, so the momos are here. Let's look at the food. Okay, now let's begin. So these are pork momos, which we're having for the first time. Let's look at this, hot and steamy. Let's dip it in the sauce. Ha. Wow. This pork does not taste much different from chicken, I think. But I like chicken momos as well. So these momos are good, very delicious. But I don't know why. This pork does not taste different from chicken to me. Good. Oh, Hindu fry. Okay, keep it. It is different. So let's do this thing. We have both of them together. But before I start eating Hindu fry, let me show you the close-up of Hindu fry as well. So let me keep this camera here. This is beef. Look at this. I like beef. I like all meats so far. I like chicken, I like pork, I like beef. The only thing which I'm still struggling to like, or which I'm still struggling to develop the taste for, is fish. Let's taste the fried noodles alone and see how they taste. Can you click a picture of me? So, yeah, thumbnail. Take a good one, okay? So if you look at this picture, you feel like watching the video. Okay. You want to get this out of the way? Whatever is good. Okay. So if you see one of these pictures, will you watch the video? It's interesting. I'll see later. I trust you. So this fentuk is not spicy right now. I think we should make it spicy. What do we have here? This is just some salt. And this one looks like some, I think black salt or chaat masala, but it's not spicy. So let's ask, can you bring some more spicy chutney to make it spicy? So we're gonna make fentuk more spicy because we like spicy. So by the time he gets some spicy chutney, let's have some more momos. I must say, Tibetan food, really good. It's really good. And it's certainly different from Chinese food. So we can't mix Chinese and Tibetan food. Although it's from the same region, but Tibetan food is not Chinese food. Is that the spiciest chutney you have?
Yes. No.
Do you have anything more spicy than this?
No.
Okay. So, in the last vlog, when I was watching it, I noticed that I make a lot of sound, like eating sound. And when I hear that sound from other people, it's very annoying to me. So, I'm going to be careful today and eat without making that sound as much as I can. I can't avoid it completely because when you're talking and eating, you're bound to make that sound. But at least when I'm not talking, I hope I don't make it, because when I'm eating, I'm not conscious all the time. That's one benefit of vlogging. When you see yourself on the screen, you can see all the flaws that you have, the sound that you make, your body language, the way you talk. You can see all the things that you're doing wrong, which you don't otherwise realize. So that's one advantage that comes out of vlogging. One of the advantages. Let's use spoon. I'm surprised that they have beef here. Now, of course, this beef is not a cow beef, because you can't get cow beef in India. So this must be buffalo. But red meat, I hear, is the best health food, and I like it. I've only had beef once before in Kerala. So I've not had pork before, but yeah, I've had beef before. It's a bit chewy. I think that's with all meats. Any meat that you have to chew a lot. But it's not rubbery. It's not rubbery, so it's not annoying to eat.
What is your YouTube channel?
This is the one. Yeah. What's your name?
Prakash Pedal.
And where are you from?
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling. So who is the Tibetan here? Only her. Her name is what? Tenzin? Who is Tenzin here?
Honor.
Owner. Okay. Thank you. This is what? Oh, okay. Thank you. So this is free from them. Okay, the bill is here. Now, let's look at the bill. So the pork momo cost us 120 rupees, beef tentuk is 160, and 20 rupees for the water bottle. Okay, so it cost us 300. Alright, so let's pay up and get going. Let me just keep the camera here while I get my stuff. Mask. I would have liked to have Tibetan this butter tea. Do you know where I can get it? In Bangalore?
This place butter tea. Sir, you from?
I'm from Gujarat. Yeah.
Your name, sir?
My name is Darshan. Yeah. You are Tibetan, right? So you guys have this butter tea, right? Butter tea. I'm looking for that. And sampa. Do you have sampa here? You have it here? Okay, maybe next time. But butter tea, you know where I can find in Bangalore? No? You're shy about camera. What's your name? Okay. Thank you guys. Alright, so for 300 rupees we've had pork momos, we've had fried tentuk, and that complimentary drink